Have you ever wondered what your neighbor is doing when they go outside dressed like an astronaut and mess with those weird boxes? Well, your neighbor is a beekeeper, and they're doing a very important job. Those boxes are bee boxes, and the spacesuit, that's a beekeeping suit. Your neighbor wears this so they don't get stung. But why would your neighbor keep bees if they have to worry about being stung? It's well known that honeybees are pollinators, but what does that mean? Well, bees take little grains of pollen from the flower of one plant to another. This fertilizes the plant, which allows it to develop seeds and produce fruit. Without pollination, plants wouldn't be able to reproduce and grow. Bees are responsible for 30% of the world's food production, and 90% of wild plants rely on bees to survive. Have you noticed your garden looks fuller and your tomatoes are bigger than ever? You can thank your neighbor for that. Just one hive increases the number of flowers in gardens for up to 2 miles around. Because bees gather nectar and pollen for miles around, they spread diversity and sustainability throughout the ecosystem. By now, you're probably thinking, okay, bees are important, but aren't there plenty of bees in the wild? There are 8 bee species on the endangered list, and while honeybees aren't, they're not far off. There's been an alarming increase of colony collapse disorder. This is when the worker bees